Here's why I would never let my child go to a sleepover. As a criminal defense lawyer for 20 years, I've seen a lot of horrible things. And two things that I know about sleepovers are this. One, the vast majority of children are SA'd by somebody that the family knows and trusts, not a stranger. This could be a family member, it could be a friend, it could be a friend of a friend, it could be the family member of a friend. When you let your child go to a sleepover, you do not know who's going to be there, what their intentions are, or who's going to be keeping an eye on your child. The second reason is false allegations of your child doing something to either another child or another person or damaging property. If you're not there to protect your child, to watch over your child, who knows what allegations can be made of them? Your child could be asleep in a bed and another child claim that your child did something to them. Does it mean that your child